竞争，竞争，竞争。
compete,
compete,
有竞争就有压力，有竞争就有压力，有竞争就有压力。
where there is competition, there is pressure.
where there is competition, there is pressure.
创业时会遇到竞争带来的压力，创业时会遇到竞争带来的压力，创业时会遇到竞争带来的压力。
When starting a business, you will encounter pressure from competition.
When starting a business, you will encounter pressure from competition.
缺少竞争力的产品就会被淘汰，缺少竞争力的产品就会被淘汰，缺少竞争力的产品就会被淘汰。
Products that lack competitiveness will be eliminated.
Products that lack competitiveness will be eliminated.
森林，森林，森林。
Forest,
Forest.
我们要保护森林，我们要保护森林，我们要保护森林。
we must protect the forests.
We must protect the forests.
森林里的植物可以使空气变得湿润。森林里的植物可以使空气变得湿润。森林里的植物可以使空气变得湿润。
Plants in the forest can make the air humid.
Plants in the forest can make the air humid.
由于长期干旱、异常干燥，很容易发生森林火灾。由于长期干旱、异常干燥，很容易发生森林火灾。由于长期干旱、异常干燥，很容易发生森林火灾。
Due to the long-term drought and abnormal dryness, forest fires are very likely to occur.
Due to the long-term drought and abnormal dryness, forest fires are very likely to occur.
剩，剩，剩。
Remain,
Remain.
他把剩下的食物都吃完了。他把剩下的食物都吃完了。他把剩下的食物都吃完了。
he ate up the rest of the food.
He ate up the rest of the food.
最后只剩下一个空盘子。最后只剩下一个空盘子。最后只剩下一个空盘子。
In the end there was only an empty plate left.
In the end there was only an empty plate left.
到了月底，我的钱已经所剩无几了。到了月底，我的钱已经所剩无几了。到了月底，我的钱已经所剩无几了。
At the end of the month, I didn't have much money left.
At the end of the month, I didn't have much money left.
暖和，暖和，暖和。
Warm,
Warm.
春天来了，天气渐渐暖和。春天来了，天气渐渐暖和。春天来了，天气渐渐暖和。
Spring is here and the weather is getting warmer.
Spring is here and the weather is getting warmer.
打开暖气，房子暖和多了。打开暖气，房子暖和多了。打开暖气，房子暖和多了。
Turn on the heater and the house is much warmer.
Turn on the heater and the house is much warmer.
冬天的太阳既舒服又暖和。冬天的太阳既舒服又暖和。冬天的太阳既舒服又暖和。
The winter sun is comfortable and warm.
The winter sun is comfortable and warm.
海洋，海洋， 海洋。
Ocean.
Ocean.
海洋占地球总面积的71%。海洋占地球总面积的71%。海洋占地球总面积的71%。
The ocean accounts for 71% of the Earth's total area.
The ocean accounts for 71% of the Earth's total area.
请关注海洋对人类生活的贡献。请关注海洋对人类生活的贡献。请关注海洋对人类生活的贡献。
Please pay attention to the contribution of the ocean to human life.
Please pay attention to the contribution of the ocean to human life.
太平洋是地球上最大的海洋。太平洋是地球上最大的海洋。太平洋是地球上最大的海洋。
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth.
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth.
明天我们一起去海洋馆。明天我们一起去海洋馆。明天我们一起去海洋馆。
Let's go to the aquarium together tomorrow.
Let's go to the aquarium together tomorrow.
底。底。底。
Bottom. End.
Bottom. End.
海底是一个美丽的世界。海底是一个美丽的世界。海底是一个美丽的世界。
There is a beautiful world under the sea.
There is a beautiful world under the sea.
这条小河很清，可以看见河底的小鱼。这条小河很清，可以看见河底的小鱼。这条小河很清，可以看见河底的小鱼。
The river is very clear, and you can see the small fish on the bottom of the river.
The river is very clear, and you can see the small fish on the bottom of the river.
他把铁盒子藏在床底下。他把铁盒子藏在床底下。他把铁盒子藏在床底下。
She hid the iron box under the bed.
She hid the iron box under the bed.
他打算下个月底回美国。他打算下个月底回美国。他打算下个月底回美国。
He plans to return to the United States at the end of next month.
He plans to return to the United States at the end of next month.
谢谢观看。